Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to pay with PayPal on Amazon. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, you want to go into Amazon section, and here you want to look for the item you want to buy. So as you can see here, I am into Amazon.com. The only thing, the fact is here, everything is in Spanish, but you have to be worried about that because we want to focus in the payment method. So just for example, let's say that I want to buy this item, right? Then what I want to do is go in to proceed to the payment, which is actually this option, and then what is going to happen is going to be appearing all the payment method can be available for us. So here we have our credit card. Here we have Amazon money that we cannot use, and if you want to choose other payment method, you can choose in here the plus option. And here it was supposed to pure the PayPal account, but it was unfortunately deleted for a few reasons a few years earlier. So what I want to do, if I only have money using PayPal, that I can do is to buy a gift card, and after buying a gift card I can add it here into my gift card, right? And I can apply to that. So what I want to do is to use another site, like maybe idea, and here I can buy so much great gift card. So let's say that I want to buy a gift card of Amazon, and I hit into I understand and go into continue here. Let's say what I want to redeem, like maybe I don't know, maybe $500. So go into buy for myself, and what I can do is to pay this Amazon gift card using my PayPal account, right? So here into the products I can see the total. I can go into continue as guest, and here I can choose the payment method. I can choose PayPal, and after you make the payment with your gift card, it's going to be showing you a transaction number, which you can provide that in here. And after you provide that number and you apply, now you can make the process of the payment. So there you have it, and actually that's why very easy way that you can use our PayPal account to pay here into Amazon. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.